Well, it's not just housing that's a problem in the Bay Area, also too much vacant office space. Our investigative unit has been tracking the growing office vacancy rates in the Bay Area. But how do they compare to other major cities across the country? Investigative reporter Hilda Gutierrez joins us now. And Hilda, what did you find?
Yes, we analyzed recently released downtown office vacancy rates across the country. We know our Bay Area downtowns have been deeply impacted, but now we wanted to know how bad are we really doing compared to the rest of the country and exactly why.
The U.S. office market is facing its highest average vacancy rate in 30 years of 18.5%, but that is still lower than our Bay Area downtown vacancy rates, according to the latest data released by commercial real estate firm CBRE. Nearly one-third, or 31.6% of offices in San Francisco are vacant. Downtown Oakland's vacancy rate is at 28.5%, and downtown San Jose is at 26.6%. CBRE experts attribute some of this to a sluggish return to office for tech companies.
Financial companies are reoccupying space more than technology companies.
According to Hee Park, who advises companies on how to create inviting and efficient working spaces, commute is another influential factor keeping employees away from the office.
And the Bay Area is one of the most challenging commuting geographic areas in both commute time with the distributed nature of the area and public transportation access compared to other cities.
But the Bay Area is not alone. Dallas, Denver, Portland, Seattle, and Phoenix all have more than 25% of their offices vacant, while cities like Washington and Boston seem to be in better shape. When you take a closer look at what specific markets and buildings are facing the greatest challenges, you'll notice some common characteristics. Downtown markets, especially in the Pacific and Northeast regions, have a higher share of hard-hit buildings. Throughout the pandemic, Northeast and Pacific coastal markets had a slower return to office than Southwest and Midwest markets. Hard-hit buildings are generally located in areas with higher crime rates and fewer external amenities like nearby restaurants. Crime score was the biggest external drive of what makes a hard-hit building. A building's age was not a significant factor, but its size was. Buildings between 100,000 to 300,000 square feet seem to be impacted the most.
And we should also note that when it comes to the demand for office space nationally, there has been a dip of almost 16%. Yet in San Francisco, we're seeing a promising trend of 10% quarter-over-quarter growth. This is according to the latest VTS Office Demand Index. With the investigative unit, I'm Hilda Gutierrez. Back to you.
Hilda, thanks so much.